Hello, my name is Teemu Peltola from Finland. I'm driving drifting. This is my second year driving. Last year I drove in Extreme Drift Challenge, which I won. And this year I drove in a pro class first year, and I was third in the series. About my car, it's a Mercedes Estate from '81. It's originally 3 liters diesel engine, and now it's upgraded to 3 liters 24 valve. Engine is from E model 98. Transmission is Tremec Tico 600. In the first race we had rear axle from Mercedes V124, and we had quite problems with the drive shaft. It broke down 4 drive shafts in the first race, so we upgraded it with the Toyota Aristo. Rear axle is from Toyota Aristo, and suspensions are from a Mazda RX-8. It's a D2 coilovers. Front axle is also from Toyota Aristo. Suspension D2 coilovers, also from Mazda RX-8. For the steering we have used Volvo parts to make it turn more than original. We have even plans to upgrade it more to make it turn even more, and to make the steering faster. Transmission is a Tremec Tico 600. It's made and designed to hold 820 Newton meters, so it's working on the limit. Clutch is a Quartermaster, and it's made to hold 1200 Newton meters. Joo, se on alhaalla nyt. Sitä ei nosteta enää. Ui. Engine is stock from a 98 E model, 3 liters, 24 valves. It's not opened. It's a stock engine, except the exhaust manifold, which is self-made, and turbo is from Scania truck. It's a Garrett GD40, and diesel pump is also modified with 7mm elements. It has originally 5.5 millimeters. Intercooler is also self-made, and it's quite big. And about the horsepowers, I don't know. We don't have had it on dyno, but last year I drove with a 12 volts 6-cylinder turbo diesel. It had 414 horsepower and 704 Newton meters. Maybe this has 450 horsepower and up till 800 Newton meters. About the interior, it has the original instruments panel, except the meters, which is showing oil pressure, engine temperature, and turbo boost. And also I have hydraulic handbrake. This was all from the Black Smoke Racing this time. We will be back next season with the better and more upgraded car to challenge the Japanese and the BMWs again.